right, let's get the Dixons here in the middle. Get some of that magic going. Get this part open. What do you think about that?
Gosh, that's swell. Hi there. Thanks for helping us today.
All right, everybody, let's count down backwards from 10.